On April 6th, 2025, in Hollywood, Florida, a dumb parking dispute turned into a full arrest after one family decided they could save a public spot by planting a body in it and arguing with anyone who disagreed. What should have been a minor inconvenience quickly became a loud, embarrassing standoff built on entitlement, bad logic, and a completely avoidable dare to the deputies. Taking just 2 seconds to hit that like button means the absolute world to me, and it truly helps this channel continue bringing you these detailed breakdowns.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
We're sitting right here on the spot. They don't let anybody park.
All right. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, all right? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off. First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
Well, he hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped, right? Because you're standing in the road,
is that
right?
legal?
If you're standing in the road, yes, come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? Do you need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
We already
All right, this is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block parking spaces, though.
But these people
That's
are
not how this works,
blocking
though. You can't just block parking spaces.
Look, sir, the road was blocked, so we would
The
have.
road is still blocked because of this right
No,
now.
they were blocking it, so how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
your
that
car? Your
we
car's not
we
here.
can?
It's right there. The car is right there. We had to
trying
go
to
around
park.
since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not
Move
on
out
us.
of the
That's
way
on
so you
you.
can park
That's
the
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the way.
had to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of the
right?
way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
the
that
sign?
we can?
You're just gonna block the roadway at this
Where's
point.
the sign?
Excuse me. Where is the sign that said?
Don't touch
Excuse
my
me.
mouth. Don't touch my mouth.
Alejandrito, por favor.
First off, don't
Excuse
touch
me.
my
Calm
Excuse
mouth.
down a little bit.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Calm down a
Excuse
little
me.
bit.
Excuse me. Where is the
Calm
sign?
down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parking? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign?
But they're
Where's the
blocking
sign that
us.
says that?
Where is the sign that
It's a
said that
general rule
that
of
we
parking
can
lot. But
reserve
there's no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where
here.
is the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in the
that?
parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
Now you just want to stand here.
Yo,
and
I
be-
reserved the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay, wait,
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot, and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking?
where
You
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where do
can go
we
to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to Holland Park. There's another boat ramp at
We
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people
Someone can drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys
We're
going to
not
ramp
gonna
up.
do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was blocked. We couldn't park because it was
We couldn't
blocked.
get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that, though.
Why?
It's called blocking the roadway.
No,
it's a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking
Oh,
space.
so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see the
that,
video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So you
floor.
didn't take a video. So right now I don't have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Well, there's two witnesses right to me. Three people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses.
Vamos perdiendo tiempo.
You guys can't stand in parking spots.
Is there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's
You
the
can't stand on road.
where's the
You can't
road?
stand on the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
were
needs
It's
to-
not a road. This is a parking spot.
This is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I can
All
still give
day.
you a ticket.
We
Okay.
reserved the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
So obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a road. It's a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want.
was trying to go around and they were blocking him. this is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they move so we can park? Because we've been
No,
here.
he got here first.
No,
No, he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
not.
he's
He
at the
didn't. The
parking
other
lot.
guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were
not.
here before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around,
man.
and now this guy's not letting us park.
Wow, I don't understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck. Where's the justice here? Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stand in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park in. You can't
We
just
already-
stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well then
can't just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because you're standing in a parking
You
space.
could fix the problem really quick. Just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take
and
all three of you
that's
to
it.
jail. That's how I could fix the problem.
To jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway, causing and disturbing the peace. Obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
Come on.
This is a nice Sunday, guys. Come on. We could go over to Holland Park. You can park over Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd like
places
to
at Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no,
else
we have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem. Why
I don't know
can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our... It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in
cars
the
here
car.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Where is he?
But you
Where is
How's
need
he
to...
supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is
here.
a car block.
to be able to park here.
No, there
In the
isn't.
spot that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
was a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not occupying the spot, right?
It's still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for, and
it's
we're
gone.
still here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
man.
sign
Come
that said that I can reserve
All
on
right,
a spot?
we're gonna, like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please, no. Ve, Hey, please.
Hey, record this. Record
Please, it's a nice Sunday, please.
It is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
Please,
Back up.
please.
Por un foco y un parqueo, bro.
Dale, aquí, por favor.
Where are you going?
Please,
You're gonna make it more difficult than him.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
So, because I said take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte
Back
la
up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta.
Me lo están llevando preso. De razón.
Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
Pero
What
¿qué
did
hizo,
he
hermano?
do?
Back up.
What did he do?
¿Qué hizo, hermano?
What did he do?
Back up.
¿Por qué?
Mira,
Back up.
Nosotros, mira, estamos hablando perfectamente. Yo tengo mi mano acá.
Back up.
Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien. Yo no te estoy hablando mal.
Bad person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
¿Pero qué hizo?
Pero además no
¿Pero
existe.
qué hizo?
Mira, no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo.
Truck in the roadway. You see all these trucks
Pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even...
And these
it
two were here the whole time, okay?
It was...
So I don't need to speak to any of you, right?
No, please. Back up.
Vamos por otro lado ya.
Back up. No, no.
La chillán, porque
Now
yo
you're
quiero
wrong,
seguir
right?
a alguien más.
Pero es que no se puso
Do you guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
Where?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FPC.
I think that
Why you do
you are
that?
doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and do it
Pueden
back.
hacerlo porque son la ley.
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
Queremos irnos aquí.
En realidad, que fue tan grave como para que se vieran.
¿Va a alcanzar la plata, señor?
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
They're gonna put them on the back and they're gonna lift you up.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem.
¿Para qué hasta lo pagamos? ¿Para qué?
Five, so the chair's attempting to
Charlie,
Let's go.
yeah, I already did that. Feeding more units, everything se puede.
I couldn't breathe.
Have a
man. I was
seat.
trying to get their attention.
Units are raised. Okay, copy. Yeah, Air 10 units go down response for the
Some arrests come out of serious crimes. This one comes out of something almost worse: complete everyday stupidity. A public parking spot, a guy using his body to hold it, a family treating common sense like it is optional, and a deputy trying to explain to grown adults that you cannot reserve pavement with a human being. That is the whole ridiculous foundation here, and once you understand that, the rest of the video makes perfect sense. The first thing that jumps out is how badly this family wants the rules to be written personally for them. They keep coming back to the same argument over and over. Where's the sign? Where is the sign that says we cannot do this? And that is one of the dumbest legal instincts people have. A lot of adults walk through life as if anything is allowed unless there is a giant posted notice specifically forbidding it. But that is not how public order works. There is no sign saying you cannot reserve a parking spot with your body. For the same reason, there is no sign saying you cannot start throwing chairs at strangers in a checkout line. Society assumes a minimum level of common sense. The problem here is that nobody in this family seems interested in supplying it. That is what makes the "where is the sign" routine so revealing. It is not just a bad argument. It is a worldview. It tells you they think public space becomes theirs the second they feel inconvenienced enough. The road was blocked. They paid already. They were here first. Their boat is already in the water. Therefore, the rules should bend around them. That is entitlement in its pure form, not just wanting something. Believing that wanting it badly enough turns it into a right. And once someone starts from that position, almost any police instruction is going to feel offensive to them, because they have already decided they are the exception. There is also something deeply childish about the way they keep repeating the same broken point, like repetition will make it smarter. Where is the sign? We paid. We were here. He hit me with the car. Where's the justice? Where's the sign? It is less like listening to adults solve a conflict, and more like watching people throw logic-shaped tantrums. They are not trying to understand the deputy's explanation, they are trying to outlast it. They think if they keep talking, keep complaining, keep circling the same point, eventually reality will get tired and give them the spot. That strategy works in family arguments. It does not work once deputies are standing there watching traffic back up around your nonsense. The mother's role matters here too, because this is not just one hot-headed guy freelancing stupidity on his own. The whole family energy is feeding it. She keeps validating the same bad logic, keeps escalating the moral drama, keeps demanding justice over a parking situation that they themselves are inflaming. That is why the son feels so comfortable pushing the whole thing further. He is not being corrected by the people around him. He is being reinforced. The family is basically building a little private courtroom in the middle of a parking lot where they are always right, no matter how absurd the premise gets. And when a family dynamic works like that, the loudest member usually becomes the one most willing to crash into consequences. Legally, the deputies are on very solid ground. They are not there to resolve some philosophical debate about fairness. They are there because people are obstructing traffic, causing a disturbance, and refusing repeated lawful instructions to move. Once that starts happening in a public roadway or traffic lane, police do not need to indulge a long argument about whether somebody feels entitled to the spot. They can direct people to clear the area, and if those people keep refusing, the issue stops being parking and starts becoming disorderly conduct, obstruction, and resisting. That shift is exactly what happens here. The deputies actually give them a lot more patience than this situation deserves. They explain the issue, they offer a practical solution. Go park at Holland Park, move the boat, use the other access point. In other words, this is inconvenient, but it is solvable. That is the adult path out. The family rejects it because the real issue is no longer parking. The real issue is pride. They want to win the dispute more than they want to solve it. And once a situation becomes about emotional victory instead of practical resolution, jail gets a lot closer. That is the deeper psychology here. The son is not standing there because this is the only possible way to park. He is standing there because backing down now would feel like losing. That is why people do self-destructive things over tiny issues. Not because the issue itself matters that much, but because by the time police arrive, the person has fused the issue with their ego. So moving out of the way is no longer just moving out of the way. It is surrender, it is humiliation, it is admitting the other side was right. And for some people, especially in front of family, that becomes harder to tolerate than handcuffs. Then comes the line that basically ends the whole thing. Take me to jail. That is one of those body cam moments people love because it exposes how fake a lot of roadside bravado really is. People say it like a movie line, like it is a bluff, a dare, a little power move meant to embarrass the officer into backing down. But this deputy is not interested in theater, so the second he hears it, he treats it like consent to the obvious consequence they have been begging for. And that is why the arrest feels so satisfying. Not because the stakes are huge, but because the stupidity is so concentrated. He asked for exactly the one thing he least wanted, and then instantly started resisting when the deputy granted the request. That's the mistake. Right there. The loudest people in these videos almost always think handcuffs are still part of the argument. They are not. Once the deputy decides the conversation is over, the debate phase ends immediately, and that is where you see the difference between performance courage and actual courage. Take me to jail sounds fearless for about half a second. Then the cuffs come out, the body stiffens, the backing away starts, the resistance begins, and suddenly the same person who was performing toughness is on the ground finding out that parking lot bravado does not travel very well into custody. The haircut jokes in the comments are funny, but they also point to something real. The whole presentation screams unserious. Ponytail guy acts like the main character in a conflict he is not built to handle. The style, the swagger, the instant folding once the arrest becomes real. It all adds to that same impression. Big attitude, very little backbone. That is why people laugh at him. Not because the haircut matters legally, but because it matches the rest of the energy perfectly, all performance, no judgment. There is also a generational angle here, but not in the lazy, young people are ruined sense. It is more specific than that. This is one generation teaching the next that rules are negotiable if you are loud enough. The mother does not calm things down. She adds fuel. She does not say, this is dumb, move. She helps build the fantasy that they are being wronged by the entire world over a parking spot. So when people say the mom explains the son, they are not just being snarky. They are noticing the obvious. Entitlement like this usually has an ecosystem. It grows best when everybody around it keeps telling it that it is justified. Another thing that stands out is how calm the deputies are compared to how ridiculous the family is behaving. That matters because it strips away the excuse that the police somehow created the chaos. They did not. They were dealing with one of the most embarrassingly preventable public disturbances imaginable. No one is getting dragged into some complex legal trap. No one is being baited. The deputies are literally telling them how to avoid arrest in plain language. Move. Use the other parking option. Stop blocking the roadway. Stop causing a disturbance. That is not hard. The family makes it hard because they want validation more than resolution. And that is why the justice talk is so absurd. They keep acting like a crime has been committed against them when the main thing happening is that they are refusing to let a public parking space function like a public parking space. The gap between their self-image and the reality is huge. In their minds, they are defending what is theirs. In reality, they are creating a scene, backing traffic up, yelling over deputies, and daring law enforcement to arrest them over something no mature person should still be discussing after 30 seconds. That gap is the whole video. By the end, this was not really about parking anymore. It was about a family so arrogant and so allergic to common sense that they managed to turn a public parking spot into misdemeanor and felony exposure. He did not go to jail because the deputies were itching to arrest somebody. He went to jail because he treated "take me to jail" like a bluff, and the calmest people in the lot were the only ones not playing pretend.